Hello guys, welcome to Everything Smartphone. Samsung is very tight at promoting its new Galaxy A51, and it is justified because this is really interesting mid-budget smartphone. However, before buying this smartphone, it is absolutely necessary to know about the features of this device. Samsung rolled out to the market with three almost similar design smartphones. A50 in February 2019, A50s in August 2019, A51 released at the end of 2019. So let's take a look at top 5 features of Samsung Galaxy A51. So let's roll the intro and get started. The camera in the Galaxy A51 is one of the main upgrades compared to the previous A50 or A50s. Instead of triple camera setup on the back, this smartphone has 4 camera setup to shoot like pro. So the resolution of main camera module increased from 25 megapixel to 48 megapixel with f2.0 aperture and 26mm focal length. And the ultra-wide camera module increased from 8 megapixel to 12 megapixel with f2.2 aperture and 13mm focal length. Plus another 5 megapixel module for macro photography was added. And the 5 megapixel depth sensor camera module remained unchanged. Depth sensor camera module helps to provide smooth background blur. The smartphone records videos that are pleasant in quality with 4K resolution. The Samsung claims that their A51 could be good replacement for an action camera. And all thanks to the excellent image stabilization, which really helps to shoot a very smooth video. Samsung is promoting a separate super steady mode. In this mode, you can able to shoot buttery smooth video with 1080p resolution. Unfortunately, you can't shoot 4K video in this mode. The smartphone is thin and very stylish. The Galaxy A51 is very different from its predecessors. Design is familiar with new Samsung models S10 Lite and A71. The main difference are the use of the Infinity O display with a hole for the front camera instead of drop-shaped cutout. The side faces are plastic with aluminum finish. The back cover is also plastic with varnish coating. The texture of back panel coating is rather complicated. The manufacturer calls it the prism design. Samsung are traditionally the best on screen. So the A51 delivered a stunning 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display panel. The panel is bright, juicy and in general plugs any IPS display panel into the belt. However, it does not reach the flagship level of the same Galaxy S10 according to the subjective sensation from the transmission of colors and the objective indicators. For example, it does not support HDR video. Also, nothing is said about messing the DCI P3 profile. In addition, it has 3rd generation of Gorilla Glass protection, wherever 6th generation Gorilla Glass is available in the market. This is definitely not a failure. On the contrary, for a smartphone worth of $300 with 4 cameras, using such an AMOLED display is very cool. Because of the AMOLED display panel, Samsung was able to implement a fingerprint scanner sensor under the display. Yes, this smartphone holds a under-display fingerprint sensor. By the way, the unlocking speed is not that fast, but it works very fine according to its budget range. It has brand new Android 10 operating system with One UI 2. It is good to have update Android version. Also, this is the first A-series smartphone from Samsung which contains Android 10. There has NFC and separate slot for microSD card which is located independently with 2 nano SIM card. At the rear end, it has USB Type-C port and speaker grills. Also, it has 4000 mAh non-removable battery with 15W fast charging support. And Exynos 9611 processor with decent RAM and storage promise to provide smooth performance. In all other aspects, the smartphone turned out to be quite good. For lovers of Samsung, that for sure. Although the market is full of very serious competitors. Albeit with less advertising support, can still put sticks in the wheels of A51 sales. The obvious and powerful competitor is of course Redmi Note 8 Pro with its performance and price. that was the video about top 5 features of Samsung Galaxy A51. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash the like button and write down your thought in the comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about our future updates. See ya in the next video. Bye.